Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So the market has opened, and as you can see that after some correction, DXY, yes, as per our expectation, DXY is showing that it is trying to take support on our expected levels, okay, of the Fibonacci 23.6% and the 50 moving average. My dear friends, if you are looking for detailed analysis, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday, because I'll try to keep the video short because I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you again. So as per our expectation, we can see that DXY is trying to take support, and if DXY reverses from here, then obviously we will see pressure correction on the chart of Euro USD and GBP USD and other USD pairs. After all, after DXY is still very much bullish, and obviously this was just the correction. As I have been saying for a long time, that keep in mind, my dear friends, that for a complete trend reversal on any chart, whether the market is in downtrend or uptrend, doesn't matter. For a complete trend reversal, we need a fundamental factor, and right now the fundamental factor is missing on the chart of DXY. As a result, there is still a possibility that after taking some support, DXY will be bouncing from here and continue the uptrend. Okay, now let's have a look at the chart of Euro Dollar, and probably you all have already taken a sell position, because I clearly mentioned on my previous video that once market will be in this selling zone, DXY will be at the support zone, and as per our expectation, again we got the move, and already we have a movement of more than 20 pips. So if you already have taken a sell position, be on the trade. Okay, I think that there is still a further downside on this chart, and if you are looking for a fresh opportunity in the market, so by the time you are watching the video, observe the market. Okay, when you're watching the video, if you see that market has already gone down considerably, then you can avoid it. You can just wait for Euro USD to bounce from here, and you can take a buy position. And if you find Euro USD around this level, then you can take a sell position, but do not forget to use proper risk management. And my dear friends, those who have taken a sell position, keep in mind that your stop loss should be here. After all, this is market. Okay, this is market, anything may happen, but you should be protecting your capital and hard-earned money. See, trade may go wrong, our analysis can be wrong, but that doesn't mean that we should be losing 40 to 50% of our capital on a single trade. So my dear friends, please be careful. Please follow proper risk management. That's my only request. And if you're looking for detailed analysis, watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday. Okay, so let's wait and watch. I think that the market will be going down further, and after some time, okay, you can close your position as well if the trade goes well. And in case trade hits the SL, accept the loss. Okay, accepting the loss is not a big deal. In market, risk management is the most important thing that will help you to survive in the market for a long period of time. Okay, 100% accuracy is not possible. Neither Warren Buffett nor Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is 100% accurate. So don't be disheartened. Bye bye, take care.